you might just have what it takes to be a Tempest Divine Domain Cleric, as long as you follow the gods who can call forth a charge of lightning, along with the swift justice that you are able to deliver with a mighty blow of your warhammer. If you like what you see on this channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell icon. You'll be among the first to receive notifications of when I put up my videos. The first thing everybody thinks of when I talk about the gods of earthquakes, lightning, thunder are Thalos, Thor, and Zeus, of course. I really don't need to explain who they are and what they do. You have a long list of features. And of course, you start off with the bonus proficiency in heavy armor and Wrath of Storm at level 1. Heavy armor is a proficiency that gives you a bonus to your armor class, of course. Wrath of the Storm gives you the power to inflict 2d8 lightning or thunder damage. Of course, this option is yours, which one it is. If they do succeed in a dexterity save, they'll only take half damage. What's great about this little feature is you can use it as many times per day equal to your wisdom modifier. That's pretty cool, I think. After which, you will be required to take a long rest, of course. At second level, you gain your channeled divinity. On a successful hit, you're able to deliver the fierce power of lightning or thunder, dealing maximum damage. At level 6, you get the awesome power of Thunderbolt Strike. When you deliver lightning damage to a creature, large or small, it doesn't matter, you'll push it back 10 feet. There is no dexterity save for this. At 8th level, you get your Divine Strike. On each of your successful weapons attack, you infuse your weapon with the divine energy of thunder, dealing a mighty D8 damage to your target. At 14th level, this goes up. At 17th level, you get your final domain feature, Stormborn. Here, your flying speed is equal to your walking speed. Now, this only works outdoors. As you can definitely see, this subclass has a nice list of charged features. Now for your list of spells. Starting at 1st level, you get Fog Cloud and Thunderwave. Fog Cloud, you create a sphere of fog. This is centered on a location of your choosing. Everything within this cloud is obscured for the duration of the spell, or until a 10-mile-an-hour headwind comes up and blows it away. At higher levels, your range is even broader. Thunderwave, you create a wave of force that is projected from you. Every creature within range of this spell must take a Constitution save. If they fail, they take 2d8 damage and are pushed back 10 feet, along with everything that isn't nailed down. On a successful save, they only take half damage and they're not pushed back. Also, on top of this effect, you can create a loud, thunderous boom, which spreads out over 300 feet from you. If cast at a higher level, the damage is increased by 1d8 per spell slot level. At 3rd level, you gain Gust of Wind and Shatter. With Gust of Wind, you create a straight line wind in the direction of your choosing. Every creature caught in this spell's path must make a strength saving throw. If failed, they're pushed back 10 feet in the direction of that line wind. All creatures in the wind must move at half normal speed, expending 2 feet per foot advanced toward you. This gust will extinguish unprotected flames, such as candles, torches, and campfires. As a bonus action, before the spell duration runs out, on your turn, you can change the direction of the gust from you. Shatter is a spell which lets out a loud ringing noise, all of a sudden erupting from a point of your choosing. The noise is painfully intense, and any creature caught within it will need to make a Constitution save. On a fail, they will take 3d8 damage, half that on a save. Any inorganic creature made of material such as crystal, stone, or metal must make a saving throw with disadvantage. Also, any non-magical items that are worn, including weapons and armor, in the area of effect must also save. To help you out, I'm going to put a link down there in the video's description to Roll20's website, which has a chart with armor class for objects 5th level. You receive Call Lightning and Sleet Storm. Now, Call Lightning requires that you see a storm cloud 100 meters above you. In the event that you're unable to see a cloud at your location, the spell fails. Say that you are successful with casting your spell. First thing you do is choose a location visibly within range. With a flashing bolt of lightning that streaks down at this location, every creature within 5 feet of the impact must make a dexterity save. In the event of a fail, that creature will take 3d8 damage of lightning, half that on a successful save. As an action on your turn, you're able to call lightning again on the same or a different location until the spell ends. As an added bonus, if there's stormy weather in your area, you're allowed to use this spell to its full potential. This spell has the opportunity to deliver maximum damage to a player or even a party decked out in plate mail. I'd hate to be that guy. Sleet Storm will cause freezing rain and sleet to fall location that you choose. Any flames in this area will be immediately doused out and the ground will be covered in a sheen of ice, making it difficult to rain. Creatures in this radius must make a dexterity save. On a failed save, creatures fall prone. On a save, you're not prone. If the creature is concentrating in this area, they must make a Constitution save against your DC, or they will lose their concentration. 7th level, you get Control Water and Ice Storm. Control Water allows you to choose a body of freestanding water, which is cubed up to 100 feet on its side. You're able to choose one of the following effects: Flood, Part Water, Redirect Flow, and Whirlpool. With Flood, you cause the area of effect to raise up as much as 20 feet, causing water to spill out over the area. If you happen to choose a large body of water, such as a lake or even a shoreline, you can create a 20-foot tall wave, which has a 20% chance of capsizing vehicles. Huge or small, it doesn't matter, as long as they're on the water. Also, the water in the area of effect will remain risen until the spell ends, or you choose a different effect, a Part Water. Simply put, you create a trench in a body of water, displacing it, and it rises 20 feet above the water level for safe passage, say, to go through. When the spell ends, the water will slowly return back to its level. A Redirect Flow. This gives you the ability to change direction of running water, even if there's obstacles, such as a wall, or you decide you want to reverse the flow of the direction the water will naturally go. This will cause damage to waterborne vehicles, land features like tree lines, even farms and small villages. A Whirlpool causes a swirling vortex to appear in a 50-foot square, 25-foot deep, or larger body of water. This vortex is 5 feet wide at its base, and up to 50 feet wide and 25 feet tall. Any creatures caught in this swirling vortex must make a strength athletics save versus your spell DC. On a fail, they take 2d8 bludgeoning damage on each of their turns that they're caught in this vortex, or until the spell ends. Ice Storm is one of those mass destruction spells. Here you cause a barrage of hail to pound down on an area, causing the area to become difficult terrain. Every creature caught in the area of effect must make a dexterity save. On a failed attempt, they take 2d8 bludgeoning damage and 4d6 cold damage, half that on a successful save. Finally, at 9th level, you acquire Destructive Wave and Insect Plague as your last domain-specific spells. Now, I couldn't find a PNG file out there on the internet for Destructive Wave, but you can find it on page 231 in the Player's Handbook. And I put it in simple terms. A blast of divine energy comes forth from you as you strike the ground. This creates a wave that ripples from your location. Your target within 30 feet of you must perform a Constitution save. On a fail, they take 5d6 thunder damage and 5d6 of your choice of either radiant or necrotic damage, and they're knocked prone. Half that on a successful save, and they don't get knocked prone. Insect Plague, I described that in one of the previous videos. I'll put a link right here. Just to put it short, a swarm of biting insects fill a 20-foot area and cause 4d10 piercing damage. Pretty nasty. This leads me up to my Tabletop Dungeoneer shout out. Today, it's the Almighty N. He started on YouTube last year and is really blowing it up. He covers things from dice reviews to the latest minis coming out. Check him out and the other Tabletop Dungeoneers out there. You'll find all their links provided down there in the description area below. Tell me what you thought of my review on the Tempest Domain Cleric. Thumbs up, thumbs down, somewhere in the middle? Next time on Basically Speaking's Character Class Review, I'll be taking a look at the Trickery Domain Cleric. Will I be seeing you there? Thank you for watching. Now, grab that D8 and roll damage.